Hello everyone, this is Hazel from Handcrafted Expressions. Welcome to my channel. Today, as a design team member for the Robin Nest Creative, I will be making this card for Mother's Day. Here I have used a 5x7 base card and I created this scrapbook page. Here I have used all the bits of the scrap papers and I stuck it on a grey cardstock to form a scrapbook page. Then I cut this page as my background for the card. That is, I have used 4.5 by 6 for the card base. Then I have taken this canvas, which is the Silverware Creative Dewdrop canvas. This is from the Robin Nest website, which I will be using today on this card. Also, I will be using the lovely dewdrops from the Robin Nest Creative website to decorate my card, and I will be using a die cut to go with it and a sentiment. So we shall start, and I hope you will enjoy as I create. So here I am placing the card horizontally and I will stick this base to it. So this gives you a good idea of how to use all your scrap pages, scrap bits of yours in the stash and create a lovely background for your cards. Now I will use the canvas. Now I will stick this over the background. Now I will color it a bit. That is, I will be using my brush pens. Here I am using these colors. These are normal water brush pens which I am using. Now to give a little bit of a ribbon look, I will use a red color or a pink color and I will just give a line over the ribbon. I will be using warm honey. This is also a water-based ink from Hunky Dory, and I will just give a little bit press on my glass And using the water, I'll give some splatters. You could give splatters, or you could just give a background for the, I'll give a background and then give the splatters to it. Since the pens are water based, you can also see how the green is getting mixed with the base color. So it will give you a little bit of a vintage look. Since I'm mixing the shades. Of a tangerine color, and I'll mix both of them to give some splatters. Now with the same colors, you could give a retouch to the design. When it's a water-based pen, you can really play with your shades. Now I don't want a little bit of a patchwork, so I'll just blend the sides. So it gave you a little bit of a watercolor effect. Give little bit of splatters using the black. Now I'll just stick this up. I am just using half of the die cut to stick. See that it's placed entirely in the center. Okay. The dewdrops to stick. I have also cut out some flowers which I could use for decorating it. You could also create a small bow. And now I will just design using the dewdrops. Now I'll just use the Sharpie permanent marker and give an outline to the canvas. Here we are done with the card. Thank you for watching. Do visit the Robin Ness website for all the lovely canvas and the dewdrops. Bye. See you next time.